Well, great. Good morning, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to discuss a program which will print the largest number in an array. Okay. So I have created an array here, and I stored some values here. Okay, 85791. Okay. So I need to find the largest number in this array. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this first element as largest number. I have created a variable largest, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to store the first element as a largest element. Okay, after storing the first element as a largest element, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare it with every element. I'm going to compare it with other elements, okay, remaining elements. So I'm going to compare, is 8 less than 5? Okay, a of 1 is 5. Okay, so is 8 less than 5? It is false. Okay, it is false. So when it is false, I'm not going to do any changes. Okay, it is false. Is 8 less than 7? It is false. 8 less than 9? It is true. When it is true, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update largest value as 9. I'm going to update largest value as 9. Okay, after that, after updating largest value as 9, I'm going to check it with other elements. Is 9 less than 1? 9 less than 1, which is false. Okay, let us know how to write it in a Java program. Okay, so 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 I have taken a class. Okay, I have to create an array. So I'm going to take values randomly. So 45, 85, 75, 94, 67, 53. Okay, I have taken the values randomly. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a largest variable. So and I'm going to store the first element. What is the first element? How can we find the first element of the array? That is a of 0, variable of 0. Okay, so variable is a. Here I'm going to take variable of 0, a of 0. Okay, I have stored largest number as 45 because it is the first element of the array. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a for loop. Okay, so I have to take index value must be started with 0. So I'm going to write condition. Okay, I less than a dot length. Okay, you know that the how can we find, we can find the length of the array with variable dot length. Okay, so after that, I'm going to increment it. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a if condition. Okay, you know. Okay, if largest is less than a of I. Okay, if largest is less than a of I, what I have to do? I have to do largest is equal to a of I. Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do is I'm just closing for loop in this. Okay, I'm going to print the largest number. Okay, so here this is the program to find the largest element in the array, largest number in an array. So I have to save it. I don't know the reason. Okay, so I have to save it. I saved it. Okay, so I have to compile the program. So I have compiled the program. I didn't get any compiler time error. So I'm going to execute the program. So the largest number is 94. If you can observe here. Okay, so the largest number is 94. Okay, so 45, 85, 75, 94, 67, 53. So the largest number is 94. In case, okay, in place of 94, I'm going to write 93. Okay, so what I'm going to get 93 as an output. Okay, I'm going to get 93 as an output. Okay, I'm going to get 93 as an output in place of, okay, 93 I'm going to put 9, I'm going to take as, okay, 19. So if it is 19, okay, what is the largest number? Largest number is 85. I'm going to get that as an output. Okay, so see, okay, I'm going to get 85 as an output. Okay, so you see, you can you can understand it very easily. Okay, so I have taken a variable, I have created a variable, and I'm going to store the first element as largest element. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare that largest with all other elements. Okay, a of 0 means 45, 45 less than 45, false. So if condition does not, if block does not execute. Okay, after that, for largest value is 45. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do, 45 less than a of 1, a of 1, what is a of 1? 85. 45 less than a of 1, a 45 less than 85, which is true. Okay, when it is true, what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute if block. What is there in if block? Largest is equal to a of I. What is a of I? 85. I'm going to store that 85 here. Okay, so now largest value is 85. So again, okay, largest is 85. 85 less than a of 2, a of 2 is 75. Okay, which is false. 85 less than 75, false. So if block does not execute. Okay, I'm going to compare it with everything. Okay, this is how I find the largest element in an array. Okay, thank you for watching this. Have a great practice.